Heard something while I was driving, and would you look at that? Splitter number 4 is totally gone. I'm just let it sit there. I'm not gonna do anything about it. Whatever. That's crazy. The teeth and the reindeer antlers are gone. The reindeer antler actually fell off. One of them did, broke, and then the teeth got wet because of the rain, and it just got clear like yesterday. So I saw a rock. I tried my best to avoid it, and I guess it just went through. But it is what it is. Shit happens. Look at this shit. Whatever. Still look good though. Sheesh. Alright, where to begin? This is more of an update video for you guys, since I promised you guys an update video a long time ago when I first started going back to vlogging. But kind of like an update video, what I've done to the car, and like, you know, what's been going on with the car ever since I got it, and what actually happened with the car. So I hope it's not too boring for you guys. I'll try my best not to make it as boring for you guys. But my car broke down actually on my birthday, October 2nd, and it's been going through shops left and right, towing it back and forth, $80 like at least like 5 times. And it's been going around shops for like, in December I think I've taken this car to shops like 3 different times, twice, I don't know, I haven't counted, I've lost count. But all throughout October from my birthday to the, like, I don't know, December, I've been trying my best to fix the car myself, but then I gave up and like, you know what, screw this, I'm just gonna take it to a shop. So I took it to a shop. It was my friend's dad's shop. He thought it was a electrical problem, and then it wasn't. I'll tell you guys later after that. And then I took it to another shop. It's a dealership, it's a used car dealership, but they have their own little shop in the back, so they work on that. It was kind of sketchy, but I don't really know. They thought it was a throttle body, which actually wasn't. They actually gave me a broken throttle body, and I had to take that out once I got my car back fixed and used my stock one, the old one, my original one. I actually took it to that shop once, and then it got fixed a day later. Actually, I was like, whoa, was it that like really like serious? I was like, sheesh. But they said it was a throttle body problem. I thought it wasn't. So I got the car back. It ran, I guess, and then after like the next day it stopped. I was like, wow. And then I took it to my friend's uncle, Chen. You guys know him, Chen, the TL Type S, white one. Chen's uncle, I took it to him. He got done like that. Like, he told me it was a fuel problem. It was a fuel pump not working, all that. So I got a $40 fuel pump from a dude, put it in, and got it back the next 2-3 days. So yeah, I got the car back in February. I think around like the beginning of February, and I got the car back in February, and then after that it's been having like little problems, like the starter was going out, the alternator was going out, and then that actually the fuel pump, had to get a new fuel pump because I think it cracked and it started fuming up the car with fuel. So I had to get another fuel pump, but that wasn't really a big problem. And then yeah, like over the span of like 2-3 months after getting my car back, it's been getting like little problems just like that. I had to get it fixed. I spent about like almost another grand trying to fix the car back up again because it wouldn't start and it wouldn't charge. So I had a lot of complications doing that, a lot of scary stories doing that too. And then my car didn't actually start like acting like perfectly fine till like probably July, June-ish, August. And then that's when I started, you know, getting other stuff. I actually got 0506 stocks for a week or two, traded in for some work reps. They were 18 by 8.5 or 9, I forgot, but I like the look of them, but like the specs and the fitment was not on point with what I wanted. So yeah, after that, I think a week later I traded in for the rotor grids you can see from the front. And then I found these MB Battles like in September for $240, and I copped them. And yeah, that's where the car is right now. I bought the splitter, I bought the rim you can lift for $180 from some Mexican dude in Stockton with the brake light, but actually he lost the brake light, so I had to buy another one, which was pretty good in my favor because the one I have right now, actually I got the last few ones that until they discontinued it, and I was like, I'm glad I got that because it has the little halo triangle. Yeah, I'm in love with the halo light I can see at night, especially in videos. So yeah, I got a 0506 Type S duck lid spoiler, painted that myself, and I got black housing headlights. Funny story is I got these black housing headlights from OfferUp, and then like it's been up there for like 8 months, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just hit this dude up, see if he still has it, and surprisingly he still had it. So yeah, it is a pretty big change from going from stock OEM headlights to all black OEM headlights. For sure in the future I'm gonna try to go like retrofits with a little LED strip in the future for sure. And then I got the black fog lights from this dude I bought my headers from. I actually bought some headers. They were OBX headers for $120. I had to get them, they're like a steal, so I bought that. He also sold me those black housing or blackout fog lights, which I really like because, you know, they match with the dark theme of my car. I sold that. I made 3 times the profit of what I got those headers for. I bought it for $120. I sold it to this dude for $440. So yeah, as far as engine wise, I got the RBC intake manifold, as you guys saw in the other vlog. I got NVIDIA headers from Jake, shout out to Jake, and I got a Ready SP2 mid pipe with the Skunk 2 Mega Power RR axle back. So yeah, it kind of sounds like shit right now because there's a fat ass hole from scraping so much that it made a big ass hole. I can't show you guys because my car's too low, but you know, there's a big ass, like I would say like a 4-inch hole in my mid pipe, so that's why it sounds like shit. But you know, it's my car's popping, so like it is what it is. It sounds like shit, but you know, the pops make up for it. So yeah, hopefully in like a week or 2 I will be making a video about my custom 3-inch exhaust. I am planning to go 3-inch, and then after that I'm gonna go get K-Pro for my car. Oh, also in interior wise, I did get my black seats for I believe $280. They're perfectly like perfect, just a little tiny rip, but as the months went by it opened up on my driver's side from daily driving it. And then I got rear seats from my boy Jordan, shout out Jordan, and I got also door cards from him. And yeah, all I need for my black interior is the dash and the little quarter panels for my car. After that I just need a double din and then do the starlight for the headliner. I'm gonna do a custom headliner and custom Rolls-Royce starlight type shit on my RSX. As far as my specs for my tires and my wheels, the fronts are the rotor grids 18 by 9.5 plus 35 I believe, or 38. The MB battles are 18 by 9.5 plus 23 I believe, or 20. I don't know, I forgot, but they're all wrapped in Federal SS 595 215 by 35 by 18. So yeah, that's basically like the gist of what's happened to my car and what's in there right now. Hopefully it's not too boring for you guys, but I am going to be trying to get some Mugen side skirts for my car, and hopefully that'll finish my whole body kit since I have the front and the rear. I do want to go 0506 A-Spec on the front because, you know, I just want to be different. I know some people have done it already, but you know, I just want to do it first in SAC. I think it'll look good, and then put the RSX splitter on. As of right now, that's about it. All I need is K-Pro for like engine wise, and the 3-inch exhaust obviously. Hopefully it's not too boring for you guys. Yeah, that's basically it for the update on my car. I will need a K-Pro in probably like beginning of January. I'm saving up for that, but right now I'm saving up for an exhaust. So but yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna go ahead to Teacup and visit Gabe, get some boba, and hopefully chill with the homies. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, if y'all don't already know, you know, I'll put y'all on right now. You got the Teacup milk tea with cheese foam, ube puff cream, and boba. This shit is bomb, bruh. Teacup at Elk Grove, you know what I'm saying? Gabe's over there doing something, but well, I'm ending the video here, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully it's not too boring. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. This is AronRSX signing out. Peace.